Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit video using CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and anyway I think CapCut is one of the best apps because we can do everything while editing videos in one app. So how to use CapCut to create videos easily for setting or just for fun. Just open the app after you download it and click import to add some videos, photos, or audios that you want to edit, and just drag here to make a clip. And you can check out the preview panel and this timeline picture, toolbar picture here, and you can split the clip by this icon. You can delete the clip, and you can freeze, reverse, mirror, rotate, crop, and then you can change the aspect ratio. You can add audio, text, sticker, effect, transition, filters, and many more you can getting from CapCut. So you can also edit, um, stabilize, and then remove the background. You can also adjust for speed, add animation, and many more. So after you finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner. And I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for video editing for first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and use your thanks.